So we're going to go ahead and change this rear seal on my Kubota B7100. It's a rear axle seal. It's leaking down in here and it drips on the ground. There's the new seal. Part number is, to try and keep some of the oil from running out while I do it, jack the tractor up on this side, put a jack stand there and there, so she's kind of at an angle, so some of the fluid hopefully will run to the other side of the case. Oh yeah. Okay. That's the ticket. Just get behind it like that. I'm gonna get some different gloves on. I don't know what's gonna come out of it. I don't know if that's gonna work. Go ahead and clean this off under here. Put a piece of duct tape here, and maybe the oil will just run and drip down. Oil off of here first. And we've got the new seal here. Just gonna put some oil in it. It's running down the tape here and into the pan. Oh, there's some water and stuff in there. Alright, we just need to get that seal in there. Before we lose everything. what that new style hub looks like. It has two of these things that go in there, and it's two flat spots. These are pinched by the bolt. These go in like this. So it makes an area in there that's pulls together. And this goes on like this. Pin goes through the hole where you can locate this hub in and out. I've got it in this hole. You can see this pin just locates it on the axle, keeps it from sliding off. The pinch bolt comes loose. And these pinch bolts look like this, or can't, whatever they are. They look like this. These go in and then they're pulled in by the bolt to tighten it to the shaft. I didn't show this in my other video because I didn't take it off. I didn't know I was going to change the seal. Otherwise I probably would have showed this all in one. So then the bolt goes through here, and the head, the flat side of the head, locks on here so it doesn't turn. Goes in like this. Put the washer on this side. Lock washer. Nut. When you tighten this down, both of those wedges will pinch together on the axle. So right now it wiggles like that. See, this doesn't really need a wrench on it because it won't turn. Just tighten it down with this. It's on the lowest setting.